Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can find the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Farmhouse interiors endure in popularity. It's something that you're accustomed to. It's something that we see a lot. We offer a large selection of farmhouse components which make it easy for you to complete your personal farmhouse look. Whether you're wanting to go a modern route or to keep it rustic, you're going to find that versatile piece that's easily customizable in our inventory. The farmhouse collection includes table legs, corbels, furniture feet, and molding. We offer table legs that range from a coffee table to a tall kitchen island height. We also have many sizes of wood corbels and furniture feet to choose from. All of these pieces feature those rounded edge and smooth curves that complement each other well and work in your home farmhouse build. Finally, you can add that finishing touch to your space with our molding options. If a farmhouse design is on your mind, our collection is bound to have everything that you need to achieve it. Thanks for joining me for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find the Farmhouse collection under the Collections tab on our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, friends, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.